Our top story this morning, 36 hours after the law student in Uttar Pradesh's Shahjahanpur town who had accused the BJP leader Chinmayanand of rape and blackmail recorded a 5-hour statement in court detailing her allegations. The UP police has still not booked a former MP and union minister for rape. For the first time now, the law student has gone on record to question the motive of the UP police's special investigation team that looks into the case, asking what is stopping them from filing the case.
बयान होगा उसके बावजूद अभी तक कोई कार्रवाई नहीं, क्या कहना?
देखिए, कल यहाँ के सीजीएम कोर्ट में मेरे 164 के बयान हो गए हैं, तो उसमें 376 की क्या कार्रवाई चल रही है, मुझे 24 घंटे के अंदर इस चैनल के माध्यम से एसआईटी से मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ। और अब किस चीज़ का इंतज़ार कर रही है एसआईटी और पूरा कानून प्रशासन? 164 के होने के बावजूद अब 24 घंटे हो गए हैं, उसको अभी तक अरेस्ट नहीं करा गया, हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन तक नहीं दी जा रही है। अगर हम किसी वजह से एसआईटी नहीं जा सकते हैं तो क्या हमारा कॉल पे बात करना लीगल नहीं है?
तो बाबा बीमारी की बात कर रहा है, वो बीमार है तो सब नोटिंग की है।
बच्चा बन रहा है, बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं जाना होता है, उसको जेल नहीं जाना है, बहाना करके लेट गया। बहुत बहाने करे हैं, जब उसे कहीं नहीं जाना होता तो यही बीमारी का बहाना करता था।
All right, anger seems to be, simmering inside that girl who has been talking about this case for quite some time, desperate for help at this point. Alok Pandey on the phone line with us. Alok, can't really say when, what will happen or what the next step of the police is going to be. But are there any legal recourse in front of the girl that she can approach to try and speed up the investigation?
Well, the other approach could be going to the court, but that's the point that she's making. No, Sonal, that she's saying that, bhai, main to court mein apna bayan de hi chuki hu. So if she's already recorded her statement before a court, then the next step has to be logically that an FIR has to be registered, a fresh FIR, or the section of rape has to be registered or added to the earlier FIR that has been filed against Chinmayanand for rape, for kidnapping and for criminal intimidation. Now, it's almost surreal, Sunil, that you and I are doing this every morning, that we are taking stock of the situation and saying that there's no FIR because it just defies logic. How longer this can stretch, I really have no answer for it. The only thing that I see is that on the 23rd of this month, the special investigation team that comprises of UP police officers has to go and give a status report to the Allahabad High Court. So there are those in the know who say that before that happens, they will have to move in some manner against Chinmayanand, and perhaps also those people who are accused or at least whose role has come to light in the other extortion case that was filed by Chinmayanand's side first. The larger worry, of course, is that here is a case of alleged rape and sexual assault that the girl and her family have been talking about. An FIR and FIR under relevant sections is their right, Sunil, as per the law and as per a Supreme Court decision of 2013 that was given by no less than a constitution bench. And yet, here is a situation that the police, under the garb of trying to investigate or saying that they are investigating, refuses to file that FIR and continues to say that we are investigating. How long this can continue? Well, your guess is as good as mine. But we will hope that there is some progress in the case now that the lady herself is speaking out and asking questions of the SIT.
So 23rd is the deadline, Alok, but what are the police officers saying on this, especially after the girl's remarks? Is there a response from them at least?
Sonal, the police officers are saying absolutely nothing. We've been trying to speak to them for a full month now because it's been that much time since the allegations first broke out. The only on-the-go statement that happened was when the first FIR of kidnapping and criminal intimidation was registered against Chinmayanand, and the SP of Shahjahanpur, who was in charge of investigations at that point, had said that there was no effort by the police to discredit the law student and they would move against Chinmayanand as and when required. It's been 50 days or more since then, and SIT has now taken over the probe. The SIT refuses to meet with media persons, which is fine. It's their job. They have the right to do that. But they also refuse to give out any information about how their investigation is progressing. Again, it's their prerogative. What is jarring is that the lack of public knowledge about how soon they are going to act against Chinmayanand and whether the very basic act of filing an FIR or adding that section of rape or sexual assault in the FIR that exists is going to happen or not. That certainly is something that every everyone deserves to know, including the law student. And to not give her that information or to not tell her about the investigation is as criminal as the act perhaps of not registering that FIR against Chinmayanand.